Happy Tuesday evening, Tigers. My name is Allison, and I'll be doing your Tuesday evening forecast. It was definitely a lot warmer today than what we've been seeing the past couple of days, and that's pretty evident. This is a 24-hour temperature change tracker. Take a look at all of this red, orange, and yellow. We do see some pockets of blue, but we're mostly seeing a lot of that red, and this is indicating that we're very warm this time today than we were this time yesterday, and that trend's going to continue as we go into the next couple of days. Something also, in addition to that warmth that we saw today, we also saw pretty fast wind gusts. As we look into tomorrow, we're going to see a shift from southerly winds into northerly winds, and they're still going to be pretty fast. As we continue into the weekend, those winds will die down, but just be mindful of this as we go into tomorrow. So I did mention all of that warmth that we're experiencing. Looking over here to our east, we're seeing that they're still pretty cool, but the rest of the CONUS is pretty warm for this time of year, quite a bit above average. And this is an 8 to 14 day outlook. So that extends even into next week. So feels like temperatures right now, 67 degrees here in Columbia, Springfield 63, West Plains also 67 degrees. Most of our area is still in those 60s. Now, that's just about 10 degrees above average for this time of year. Again, this trend is going to continue as we head even into the weekend. I think that cool down is really going to start once we go into Monday. But let's break down those next couple of hours. I'm expecting us to get into those 50s as we go into the overnight hours, probably dropping into the lower 50s, maybe 40s as we go into tomorrow morning. Now, satellite and radar, we're not going to see really any clouds, and we didn't see any clouds today. Take a look at this. Just maybe some upper level stuff going on, but we haven't seen a whole lot of moisture. Again, we're really not going to see much of that. But take a look as we head into the weekend. This is the next chance of rain for us. We're going to see increase of clouds, increase of moisture, and increase a little bit of instability, which is going to help us see some of that rain. Let's dive right back into tonight, though. 40 degrees tonight. Those winds start to shift to the north, starting with those east as we go into the overnight hours, dropping to just 8 miles per hour. Tomorrow, we're thinking 66 degrees, sunny conditions, lack of clouds again as we go into tomorrow, but expect that cool breeze. All right, let's end with that 7-day forecast. 60s continue. Oh, triple 67 as we go into the weekend. Game days on Saturday. And as we go into next week, I'm expecting a pretty significant cool down. Have a great evening.